HU162 cars, key duplication for Volkswagen. Find the menu, cut by bidding. Click and enter the option. And please search HU162. Pay attention. If there is a groove on the left of the key, please select the 9 cards. The app also will show which key blank you should choose. Click the right operation. Select the standard key. It will show the guiding picture how to install the key on the clamp. This key is short. It cannot reach the first line. This is alright. If it gets ready, and click Identify. At first, probe will find the key position and look for every binding of the key. The key binding is ready after Identify. Pay attention. If you click Cut, it says, please change the color 1.5. Enter 1.5. Change the color 1.5 depending on guiding picture. Pay attention. The color must be installed on the top. If it gets ready, click OK. This step says how to adjust the probe height level. If it's ready, click OK. If all gets ready, it's time to cut a new key. Install the key blank according to the guiding picture. Click Cut and start to cut the key. There is a little groove. Pay attention. Groove is up on the clamp. Please set the groove B on the application. Check the guiding picture with the key installation. The key bindings will automatically appear. Click Cut and Continue and cut the key. Click Group C. Please check the guiding picture with the key installation on the clamp.